All right, 6th grade, here's video 3. So I have my base done. You want it to be approximately 3 inches across. So diameter is 3 inches. I'm ready to start stacking my edges. So when I do this, you can go straight up on top like this, and it's going to give you a basket whose edges are like this. So straight up and down. Or you can stack only half on top, so it's a little bit off to the side. I don't know the best angle to show you that. I don't know. Like here's straight up, here's a little off to the side, and that's going to give you a basket that has sloping edges. So it's more like this at an angle on the side. You choose what you want to do. I'm going to go straight up, and I'm making my stitch. And this is where I find it to be interesting. Instead of stitching this way around, I like to have my stitch come the other way. So I'm just going to reverse the way I'm wrapping. I'm going to stick my yarn down here. So now I'm wrapping over, and my stitch can go down. And the reason I'm doing this, you don't have to do this part, there, is because I feel that this pulling the stitch this way keeps this coil on the sides up instead of letting it fall down. So I made my first stitch, I wrap. It's a little bit more challenging to get the string in there. Just slow down for a second till you have it. Remember, your wraps are the same number, whatever you've been doing the whole time. So I bend, and I'm going to stitch. I'm holding it so that they're stacked on top of one another. Stitch goes down. Pull it tight, keep going. Okay. So you should be an old hand at this point in time. Shouldn't be hard. The only thing that new that you're doing is the stacking. Again, stack, stitch, same process. And it's starting to stack up on top, just like that. And you just keep going in this manner. The last thing that you need to know about is how do you add a new piece of coiling core. So if this is the end of my coiling core, I'm going to, because I have you do it in 2 sections of 6 feet. We're going to cut both of these ends on the diagonal, put them together. And we can do a little bit of a cheat, but shh, don't tell anybody. So I'm going to put my 2 pieces together, and I'm going to go ahead and tape them to hold them. And then you just keep on like that wasn't even there, and no one will ever know. So why would you want to add more? Well, this is a basket that was made with 6 feet of coiling core, so it's a small little thing. This is a basket that was made with 12 feet of coiling core. So it looks monstrous, but it's really only twice as much as this. So it depends on how fast you work, how much time do we have, and what do you want to do. I've had some students elect to do a smaller basket and then make a lid for on top, and then they stitch it so that it opens and closes, but it's still on here. I've had people opt to do other little decorative pieces on the edge, like running the coiling core down and up, so they have sort of a wavy line here. There's 1.5 million things I'm sure that you can do with these baskets, but the basic how-tos are just what we've shown you in the past few videos. So I hope you're enjoying this project. If you have any questions, let us know.